What's up, everybody? Do you like free stuff and free stuff that you would actually pay for? Then I got the thing for you. Welcome to Lead Gen U. This is a free course that over the last several months I've been putting together, and it's just for you. If you're in a SaaS agency, if you're trying to turn that SMA into a SaaS, or you're just getting started in the game, this program is for you. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. Again, it's free. You can find the link to it in the description below. This is our way of giving back to our growing UpHex community and also give people who are trying to get started in this game the building blocks to start and to build an awesome agency. Let's jump in. All right, so it starts out with getting started. This is all very generic stuff, okay? Welcome message, all that kind of stuff. But really, we start diving into the really cool nitty gritty right away. The difference between an agency and a SaaS agency. We talk about picking your niche and how to pick your niche, your pricing. This is a big one for people. People don't know how to price their thing. And it's not even just about pricing. It's also about how to maximize your profits. You want to make sure that you can get money up front, but you also want to see how you make money in the long run, okay? How to create winning ads using UpHex template library. If you don't know this, at UpHex, we give you a library of templates, okay? And we have all these really cool tools that you can use to adapt those existing offers, make them your own, spin them off, or just use them as is. But this is a cool thing where we walk you through that library and how to create more winning offers off of those templates. Facebook ads for local businesses. So if you're running a business and you want to just blow it up with this thing, we want you to have the skills to do it, which means we cover everything. Your KPIs, so what metrics to hit if you're doing the job right, all that kind of stuff is covered in here. We'll go into UpHex, so we walk you through everything in UpHex, all the cool stuff. If you're a Facebook fanatic, a lot of this stuff you will love. All right, resolving issues. So common issues, troubleshooting, seasoning ad accounts. People that are running Facebook ads right now, they don't even know this stuff. Okay. If you're having issues getting ads approved, or if you're having issues with accounts getting denied, all that kind of stuff, we cover how to resolve those issues. And then growing your agency. So if you've got this awesome offer and you've got everything going for you, what do you need to do to really scale that thing and have the kind of business that you want when you started? Trick your brain to win. So some mental exercises to give you the right perspective, learn to sell. Selling is a big one. So learning to sell, if you don't know the fundamentals and the basics of human psychology, we cover that. Cold prospecting, close clients with scripts. We go over the winning script. And then we go into some deep dive stuff. All right. Up to this point, we're doing foundations. We're helping you establish the building blocks of making money, getting your first 5, 10, 15 customers. But then we start going deep dive into some of these things that's guaranteed you've never heard before. So this is awesome information. All right. And then we've got a bonus section that is coming shortly. It's all about scaling your agency. So demo calls, sales scripts, growing a sales team, hiring salespeople, all of those kind of things. Those are going to be reserved for our Lead Gen U members. Now we're almost to 2,000 Lead Gen U members in just the first 2 weeks. So you want to get in on this while you can. It is absolutely free. We request that you give us nothing in return. We're just giving back. So thank you guys for watching, and thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you get benefit out of this channel, if you like what you see here, subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you know when our next good video is coming your way. See you soon.